Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2015 Mazda 3 SP25 hatch, stock reference number 5088. The shape runs from the 11th month 2013 through to the 2nd month 2019. It has a PY 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. PY 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. The bonnet has one small dent. Radiator grille, tidy front bumper cover. Right hand headlight, right hand fog light, left hand fog light, left hand headlight, left guard appears to have no damage, left front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left power door mirror. We have the left hand tail light, left tailgate garnish, tailgate appears to have no damage, right hand tailgate garnish, right hand tail light, right rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, both right hand doors appear to have no damage, right power door mirror, right guard appears to have no damage, and a right front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, automatic type console, command switches, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, factory sat nav display screen, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.